Okay, guys, I got another student on the line. We got Ivan. So, Ivan, if you want to go ahead and introduce yourself, let everyone know how old you are, where you're from, and how long you've been with VTN.
Hey guys, my name's Ivan. I'm 23. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I've been on BTN since January 2017.
Okay, cool. So, you were telling me earlier about how you and your buddy, or your buddy's the one that introduced you into Forex, and you guys like combined an account or something like that, and it didn't go well. So, if you want to tell everyone about that experience, um, that'd be awesome.
Me and my buddy, we started trading Forex last year in January. Combined an account, we put 10,000, and we ended up blowing that account pretty fast, probably in 2 months.
Okay. And then you bought the training. You bought my training, Forex Fortune Factory, uh, this January, right?
Yeah, yeah. This January I bought it.
Okay. So since then, because I mean, $10,000, that's a pretty big hit.
Yeah, it
Um,
is.
I bet that hurt. What have been like your results so far with the Forex Fortune Factory?
My results have been great. I started with a small account of $85, just because I wasn't as confident.
Hmm.
And once I got really confident with the strategies that you used and you showed, that's when I added 1,000. And ever since then, that account has grown to a little over 23.
23,000 or 2,300?
23,000.
Okay. That's crazy, man. People are gonna go crazy over that. All right. So I mean, like, like what kept you from buying the Forex Fortune Factory sooner? Because
So,
you were
you
like
know,
following me for a little bit, I think.
Yeah, it was funny because you popped in my DMs.
Hmm.
I'd say probably around this time of last year,
Hmm.
and I was kind of seeing what you were offering at that time. I think it was Signals,
Yeah.
and then uh, you were offering your training, and I was kind of skeptical at first, because just the way you approached it, through the DMs, I was like, who is this?
Yeah. The old
Didn't know who
methods.
it was, so. I just started following you, and a couple months just passed by, and then in January, that's when I decided to buy your program.
Okay. So what exactly did you like the most about either the program or the mentors of Forex Fortune Factory? What exactly did you like the most?
The most I liked about it was the program was how easy you made it. And broke everything down, everywhere from when to enter, when to get out. Just how simple it is. Because I was following this other guy, and I was trying to learn his trading style, but I really don't. I never got the hang of it, especially because his style was more on like minute charts,
Uh-huh.
stuff like that. And once you look at it like how you teach it, look at the hourly, then look at the 15-minute and stuff like that for your entries. It's way easier than trying to do it by the minute.
Okay. So would you say that you're definitely one of those thousand lives changed?
Oh, definitely, yeah,
Awesome, man. And
really changed my life. Because you could do it on your own time, and it's just the confidence of how it works.
definitely
You get results.
awesome. All right, so last question for you, brother, and then I'll let you head out. Um, if someone called you up right now and they asked, like, why should I buy the Forex Fortune Factory, or why should I trust this Nemo guy or this Nehemiah guy? What would you say to them in just like a couple of words?
I get that a lot.
Mm.
A lot of my friends wanna buy your program, but I just don't feel like they're confident enough, and they still think it's kind of sketchy or skeptical,
Hmm.
about it, just because how easy it is to make money on Forex.
Yeah.
Um,
Do
but it
what do you normally say to them when they think it's sketchy?
well, first before I even tell them where to go to buy it, I try to explain to them what Forex is and how it works.
Hmm.
And if they don't, if I see that they're not really interested in it, because if someone's interested in it, they'll make time for it.
Right.
And if they're not, they're just kind of running around the bush and trying to do it on their own time or whatever. You know, that's why I really don't send anyone to you unless they're really interested in it.
Yeah. No, that makes sense. Like,
Um,
it's definitely not like get rich quick.
yeah,
It,
exactly,
so
exactly.
like, I mean, a lot of people they do make money fast, but a lot of people come in if they come in with that mindset, it doesn't work for them.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
it's good that you're not sending people, that aren't going to take it serious and not going to work hard. So, but all right, man, thank
Yeah,
you.
exactly.
I definitely appreciate you hopping on here with me, and keep killing it. I mean, obviously you've got the rhythm down. I mean, that's huge growth. That's like from 1,000 to 23,000. That's crazy. So keep killing that, and I tell everybody this. Just don't get greedy. Even though
Yeah.
it sounds like you've got it down because you're telling me you're only taking just a few trades per month, so that's good. But I still have to say it just because it can happen.
Hmm. Yeah, and then the most important thing really for me again was with the emotions and not being greedy. That's
Yeah.
really how I think that's really how I blew up my first account with the 10,000. Where we'll let it run. We'll see 1,000 in profit, and we'll keep letting it run,
Hmm.
and we'll get out from because of being scared, and we'll get out with a bigger loss,
Right.
than what we already had.
That happens. It does.
Yeah.
But all right, brother. Well, you enjoy the
So
rest of your day, and yeah. I mean, like I said, let's keep killing it.
all right, no problem.
All right then, brother.
Thank you for your training.
No, it's all good. Peace, man.